Hi friends! Ellie the elephant and Brightly are here, ready for an exciting jungle adventure. They're wearing their explorer hats and guess what? They want you to join the team. So let's hop on Ellie's back and get ready to explore. Here's how we play. As we glide through the jungle, you'll hear animal sounds. Your job is to guess which animal it is before Ellie shows us. Are you ready, explorers? Let's go! Do you hear that squawking? What animal could that be? Ellie thinks it's coming from up in the trees. Let's get closer. Look, it's a parrot. Parrots can copy sounds, even human voices. Do you hear that chattering? Which animal do you think it is? There they are, monkeys. They love swinging from tree to tree using their strong arms and tails. Ellie spots a bright beak in the distance. Do you hear that sound? What animal could it be? It's a toucan. Their colorful beaks help them grab tasty fruit high in the trees. Whoa! That sound is loud. Which big animal do you think it could be? Look ahead! It's an elephant! Elephants use their trunks to eat, drink, and even give hugs. Shh. Ellie says we should stay quiet. Do you hear that growl? Who could it be? It's a jaguar! Jaguars are excellent swimmers and love hiding near rivers. Do you hear that? Which little creature could it be? It's a frog! Frogs can jump super far and live both in water and on land. Ellie hears bubbles near the riverbank. Do you know what animal makes that sound? Watch out! It's a crocodile. Crocodiles can hold their breath underwater for almost an hour. Ellie says something big is nearby. What do you think it is? It's a gorilla. Gorilla lives in families called troops and take care of each other. Do you hear that laughing sound? What animal do you think it is? It's a hyena. Hyenas use their laugh-like sound to talk to each other. Ellie spots something very still hanging in a tree. Do you hear that soft sound? It's a sloth. Sloths move so slowly that moss can grow on their fur. More squawking up ahead. Which colorful bird could it be? It's a macaw. Macaws can live for over 50 years and are very smart birds. Ellie hears splashing and grunting near the water. Who could that be? It's a hippopotamus. Hippos spend most of their day cooling off of rivers and lakes. Which animal do you think is making that sound? It's a chimpanzee. Chimps are super smart and can use sticks as tools to find food. Ellie says something is slithering nearby. What animal could that be? It's a snake. Snakes use their tongues to smell the air and find their way. Ellie sees a big bird with a funny beak. Do you know who it is? It's a hornbill. These birds have giant beaks for cracking food and nuts. Ellie hears splashing near the river. Which animal do you think it is? It's a capybara. Capybaras are the world's largest rodents and love swimming in groups. Ellie hears barking and screeching up ahead. Who do you think it is? It's a baboon. Baboons are very playful and travel in big groups called troops. Ellie hears a tiny croak up in the trees. Which little creature could that be? It's a tree frog. Tree frogs have sticky toes to help them climb high in the trees. Ellie thinks something is hiding. What could it be? It's a tapir. Tapirs use their long noses to grab fruit and leaves to eat. Ellie hears snorting nearby. Who do you think that is? It's a peccary. Peccaries travel in groups and love snacking on jungle plants. Wow, you guessed so many animals with Ellie and Brightly today. You're amazing jungle explorers. Thanks for joining the adventure. Ellie had so much fun being your guide. We can't wait to explore with you again soon. Bye, friends!